As I mentioned in my previous video, this is going to be the first of 4 videos. Um, this is the making almond meal or almond flour. Fine is meal, sorry, fine is flour. Coarser is meal. You're just gonna put some almonds in a boiling water. Put the water to boil. When it's boiling, you throw the almonds in it, and you're going to leave them there for less than a minute. Stir it up, make sure that everything is saturated with the hot water, and then you're gonna pour off the water. You prepare a bowl with ice water, cold water. If it's cold enough, then that's good. And you're gonna drop the almonds in it to cool them down, stop the cooking process, and then you start stripping them. Yeah, I just put them in the bowl of water and just run my hand like I'm gonna squeeze coconut with one hand, and they just slide right off. The skin slides off very easily, and you do that. You continue to do that until all of them is finished. And when you're finished, give the skins to your chicken. Give the skins to your chicken or whatever else you want to do with it. Anyway, you throw away the skin. Pour them in some water again, just to see, get rid of any extra pieces of trash that's left on them. And that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna put it on a tray. Put them on a tray with paper towel, or put them on a paper towel in a cake tin, in anything. I had them on a tray, and then even on the tray you'll find some pieces of trash still on it. Just sort it out. Anyway, you put them to dry for a few days. One day you could put them in the oven on the very lowest temperature for an hour, just until they're dry. You could put them out in the sun. Anyway, you put them to dry, and then you're going to mash them in your food processor. This won't work, I think, in a blender. Anyway, I did these in 2 sets. I needed enough, since I'm gonna make marzipan with it, and almond paste marzipan, and put it on a cake. Anyway, you're gonna crush them, pulse and stop a couple of times until it's crushed to your satisfaction. If you crush them too much, they could turn into almond butter, and you don't want that. This is how they make almond butter. They crush it and keep crushing it and running the food processor until another time we'll do that. But this time we're just trying to achieve almond meal, almond flour type of consistency in when they're crushed, and that's what we're doing. Anyway, I hope you watch the other set of videos. It's gonna be, this is the making the almond flour. The other one is going to making almond paste. Then we're gonna do marzipan. Turn the almond paste into marzipan, and then we'll be rolling it out and put it on a cake, on a rum cake, and then we're gonna put some icing and decorate that cake. So I hope you get to watch that process. Anyway, right here I'm checking to see if it's ready. It's fine, but it wasn't fine enough, so I run it a little longer, I think. And it got to the stage. I pour it out in a container, and it's ready now. It's ready to use. You can put it up for a few days, for a few months in your fridge. You can store it a few months, but why bother if you're gonna store it for months? Why you gonna store it for months? Just do it when you need it. Anyway, I had extra, so I put some away in this container, and so I'll make something else with it. Maybe I use it on a pastry, like I did with the braided pastry. But it wasn't this fine when I did the braided pastry. Anyhow, I hope you watch all the videos in this series, the 4 videos, and I'm gonna do them. I actually have the almond paste ready. I did that video already, and it's gonna be at the end of this, and I'll upload that maybe tomorrow. And I hope you watch all of them, and thanks as always for watching my videos. Appreciate my subscribers, appreciate old and new. I'm gonna do a giveaway soon once I get to 2000. Anyway, watch the next video making the almond paste.